Hello everyone, this is Arif Mahmoud, and today in this video I would like to share some tips or knowledge about how to use Xing to source candidates. Uh, as you probably know that Xing is a social networking platform just like LinkedIn, where you can find candidates mainly from three countries where Xing is heavily used. Number one is Germany, and then Switzerland and Austria. So if you are trying to find candidates from these three countries, I highly recommend to use Xing as long including LinkedIn, because probably you will find some candidates on Xing where you will not never find them on LinkedIn. So it's good to use both platform, especially if you are trying to find or source candidates very German oriented, then I highly recommend Xing is one of your best platform to source candidates. Anyway, so today I would just give you some short examples. For example, how to find candidates using different search criteria. So the first thing I'm going to do is that let's just pretend that I have been given a mandate from my client that I need to find candidates from a pharmaceutical background, and they have to be sales manager or regional sales manager. So anything related to sales, and they have to have at least 5 years of experiences. And as I have mentioned, that the client prefers to have candidates coming from pharmaceutical background or biotechnology companies. So this is what I'm gonna do now. So at first, I have to go to the box here, as you can see, enter and click a person. Now you will see that an advanced search option. So I will just simply click here, and as you can see, there are different boxes or cells where you have to put name or type or keywords, and based on your keywords it will show up different results. For example, as my client prefers candidates from Germany, so I am going to click the location Germany, right? And then ideally, the client prefers candidates from Bayern region or whatever. I mean, if the client prefers candidates mainly from Bavaria region, then I will simply click Bavaria or type. Yep. And so now it's saying 880 members. Okay, so now you can see that there is current company and then previous company and the discipline, like what are they doing? Are they doing consulting, or are they doing customer support or marketing and advertising? Like a candidate does different jobs, so you can search candidate based on their job functions or disciplines, and you can search candidates based on skills, and this is wants. For example, sometimes on Xing there is an option called wants. You are a sales manager and you are looking for contacts who are coming from different industries, or maybe who are recruiters or executive search. Then you can type based on wants. However, this is not that important. So skills is, I think, quite important, and previous jobs. For example, if the candidate previously worked as a sales manager, but right now he or she is sales director, I don't think this is gonna work for my client. So what I have to find is that sales manager right now. And if the candidate previously worked also as a sales manager, this is fine. So here what I'm gonna do is current position is sales manager. I don't know why only 8. Hello, sorry, something wrong happened to Xing searches. However, I am back again. So what I was doing is I was trying to find sales manager from pharmaceutical or medical device companies. So what I'm gonna do is just click on advanced search, and as you can see, you have different options like current position, previous positions, skills, university, employment type, is it full-time or part-time, self-employed. You can also search based on language. If the candidate needs to speak fluent German, then you can click here. And if there is any other recommendation, for example, English also needs to be spoken, maybe, or Chinese or Spanish, whatever. And you can also find candidates based on contact levels. Second level contacts means the candidate is somehow connected with one of my contacts, and third level or contacts means I am not connected with them at all, even if my contacts are not connected with them at all. So anyway, as I told you that today my task is to find sales manager coming from pharmaceutical or medical device companies. So here I will simply just type sales manager and current industry. So here I can see consumer goods, internet, mechanical, medical services. So I was looking for pharmaceutical industry, however, I didn't find any, but I have realized that under medical services, pharmaceutical and medical device, everything is in under medical services. So that's why I'm gonna click medical services and see what comes next. So I can see that Xing is showing me 5,190 members that matched my search results. But of course, not everyone is going to be relevant what I'm looking for. So let's just see that Torsten Heimann. So he's an employee and he's working for Ipsen Pharma as a sales manager oncology, which is great. And oh, by the way, I think I just clicked Germany, and let's pretend that you have to find candidates from Frankfurt only, or maybe Hessen state. So in this case, I will simply type Hessen or Hesse. So, I don't know what happened. Let's try with city. So when I clicked on Frankfurt am Main area, this is what I am seeing now. I can see that 85 candidates from Frankfurt. So manager business development, she's currently looking for a new job. Anyway, Torsten Heimann, he's a candidate that definitely fits to our job description or our requirement, and specialty sales manager intuitive surgical. So it's a medical device, of course, then she also fits to for this position. And then employee sales manager implantology, Straumann GmbH. So in case if you don't know or understand the name of the company, then you can obviously search Straumann GmbH. It's a dental equipment and supplies manufacturing company, which is a medical device company, which is quite fine for what we are looking for. So employee area sales manager, Luis Vidmar GmbH. Maybe this is also a medical device company. Yeah, it's a pharmaceutical company, so this is great. He also is a fit. Anyway, to make sure you can also open the profile, yes, of course you need to open the profile and click in details and see. So this person is working as an area sales manager and previously was with Canon, and however he already has 5 years of experience with the medical device industry, which is quite good for what we are looking for. And he speaks fluent German, which is perfect. And then next, sales manager AbbVie. I know AbbVie, so this is a great fit. And district sales manager Biogen. This is also a great fit. So this is how you find candidates based on industry. Now, what I'm gonna do is that, for example, if client prefers candidates from specific companies, or you need to find candidates only from those targeted companies, then what you need to do is, I will just remove this or untick this Frankfurt area location for some reason. Okay, so you just need to type name of the company here. For example, right now I am looking for candidates from Novartis, the big Swiss company. So Novartis Pharma, it can be Novartis. So when I click Novartis, I am seeing 77 results. And what happens when I'm Novartis Pharma? 23 results. So at first, I mean, seeing is a little bit weird. See, same company, different search results. So at first, let's just try with Novartis Pharma. So anyone who is working currently for Novartis as a sales manager in Germany, you should be able to see that. So Markus Rehme, he's first line sales manager, regional leiter, and currently he's working for Novartis. Cell therapy network manager, so current job title research and clinical sales manager, which is fine. And regional leiter sales manager, Novartis. Customer model transformation, current company. Current job title is senior brand manager and sales manager, ESMA. Different job function. Anyway, so this is great that, I mean, whenever you want to find candidates from specific company, you should use this function. And there is also one option, which is previous company. For example, I want to find candidates who previously worked for Novartis. Then I will simply type Novartis or Novartis Pharma, and then I can see a lot of people who previously worked for Novartis Pharma. Now they are working in different companies. See, working in Pfizer, working in different companies. So this is a very basic search. I hope you will find it useful. So you can also play with different keywords, different discipline, industry, without mentioning industry. Let's just untick industry and see the number of result has gone up, which is great. So you have to play a little bit with the different options and keywords, and you will get every time a different search results. So that's it today for that. This is how you need to use a Xing search to find potential candidates. And when you find candidates, you can write from here, or you can open their profile and send message from there. Thank you so much, and I hope you really liked the video. If you really liked it, give it a thumbs up, and I will keep sharing more content in future. Thank you so much.